Hey there, I'm Mona, and in this video we are going to dive into the world of C programming. And we're kicking things off by writing our first C program, displaying the legendary words "Hello World." Let's get started by opening your favorite IDE or text editor. I'm using the VS Code. So first of all, let's create a file and name it main.c. The .c here is an extension of C, and we need to use this extension whenever naming our C file. All programming languages have their own extensions, like the Python has .py and C++ has .cpp, etc. Alright, now first of all, we need to include the standard input-output library. So we can do this by hash include stdio.h. So what this include stdio.h does is that it lets us use the input-output functions like printf, which we are going to use to display our text. So next is our main function. So the main function is like an entry point in a C program. All the code that we are going to write is going to be inside this main function. So inside this curly braces, we are going to call the printf function, and we are going to use double quotes. Inside these double quotes, we are going to write hello world, which is our text that we want to display, and we need to wrap it inside of the double quotes as it is the convention of C, or a syntax you can say, then followed by a semicolon. So the semicolon is a terminating condition in C, and we use a semicolon to determine the end of our statement. Finally, we'll need to return a value to indicate that our program ran successfully. So we'll return 0, which will tell the operating system that everything went well. Now before running our program, we'll need to compile it. What happens in the compilation is that the compiler converts the source code to machine-readable code. The compiler then generates an executable file which we can run on our computer. Now let's run the program. Hit the save, and on the top left corner, click on the view, terminal, and then here gcc main.c. gcc for the compiler and main.c our file name. Enter, and here this is our executable file that our compiler has generated. So we'll do this ./a.exe, enter, and boom, there it is, hello world, printed right onto our screen. And that's it. You have just written your first C program. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into variables and data types. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech content. Catch you in the next one.